shade the region which is more than 3 centimeters from point A, but less than 4 centimeters from point A also. So shade the region which is more than 3 centimeters from the point we're talking about is A. Three centimeters. So put the needle on the point A. So it has to be more than 3 centimeters from point A, so it's outside. But there's another restriction, it has to be less than 4 centimeters from point A. So now measure 4 centimeters. So it has to be all of this. Everything within this region is more than 3 centimeters, but less than 4 centimeters from point A. Right, I've added on a bit of extra here. The shading has to be closer to line AB than line AC. So if you look at this, I need to construct an angle bisector, which I'll have shown in a previous video to this. So to construct an angle bisector, put the needle on A, because that's the angle that I'm going to cut in half. You can put the pen, you can put the tip of the pen anywhere you want along this line. Then draw yourself an arc. Extend this out a little bit and just draw another one. Now all you're going to do is join this one with this, the one that's furthest away to the one that's nearest to A. Just do that. And it just leaves these two to join together. See this crossover here? Join it with A. So what I've constructed is a line that goes down the middle of these two lines. It's right down the middle. It's called an angle bisector because I've cut this angle in half. So I need to find which shading is allowed to satisfy all three conditions. Remember, this writing in blue, what I've got in blue, I've already done. I've already shaded that, but I've made it a bit more complicated by introducing this extra criterion. So the shading has to be closer to line AB than line AC. So the bits I don't need, I'm just taking this out. So you can see now, the shading is closer, the shading over here is closer to line AB than line AC. So I've got all this now. So if I had to shade the region within triangle ABC, so within this triangle, that means this is irrelevant now. All of this is irrelevant. So it looks like I've satisfied all three conditions. I've shaded the region which is more than 3 centimeters from point A, but less than 4 centimeters from point A. Also, that shading happens to be closer to line AB than line AC. Okay, so it's that bit there and that bit over here.